A little yellow duck walked up to the stand, waddled left and right with a wiggle in his hand. He quacked, "Hello there, how are you today?" The silly duck smiled in a happy ducky way. Quack, quack, flap, flap, wiggle to the beat. Silly little duck with the fastest feet. Quack, quack, tap, tap, dancing in the sun. Being a silly duck is lots of fun. He splashed in a puddle with a hop and a cheer, water flying everywhere, landing far and near. He shook his feathers dry with a shimmy shake, making all the forest friends giggle when they wake. Quack, quack, flap, flap, wiggle to the beat. Silly little duck with the fastest feet. Quack, quack, tap, tap, dancing in the sun. Being a silly duck is lots of fun. Waddle to the left, waddle to the right, do the duck dance morning and night. Spin around once, give a little clap. That's the silly duck's happy quack, quack, crap. Quack, quack, flap, flap, everyone join in. Let the ducky fun begin again. Quack, quack, tap, tap, now shout yippee! Silly duck dancing wild and free.